Good morning. Uh, I hope that everybody is okay. Now, I want to take this opportunity to tackle some questions on chemistry. Chemistry paper one. I have this chemistry paper one 2021. This is NEC exam 2021. This paper was done 2021. Last year, but one. Okay. Now, I want us to revise with you. We revise this question of this paper together. You just listen to me. If you have a pen, you can just listen, because I don't have two cameras. I could even show you the questions, but because I don't have, let me just do some explanation. I will use my whiteboard here so that I can do some calculations. Now listen to me very careful. The question reads, element A has mass number 40 and 21 neutrons. Write the electron arrangement of element A. Element A has mass number 40 and 21 neutrons. Write the electron arrangement of element A. Now listen to me this carefully. I think this is topic from one topic of atomic and so on. Now, an atom, let me just try to define something. An atom is the smallest particle of an element that can take part during chemical reaction. I think that's so. Now, an atom has electron, neutrons, which is neutrons has no charge. We have electrons. Okay. Now, because it has a mass number of 40 and it has 21 neutrons, just get difference, because for you to come up with electron arrangement, you must get the what, the difference, so that you can get the number of electron or the atomic number. Okay, you need an atomic number. Now this is what you're supposed to do. You just do this. Chemistry PP1 question 1. Now A has a mass number of 40, but the number of neutrons is 21. So get the difference. You realize the difference here gives you 19. Now 19 is an atomic number. It's the same as the number of electrons. So the atomic number is the same as the number of electrons. So don't struggle. Okay? So after getting the difference, now 19 is atomic number and the same as the number of electrons. Now you have been asked to do what? To write the electron arrangement of element A. Electron arrangement of element A. So if it is atomic number 19, electron configuration, the first energy level of an atom, the structure of an atom, the first energy should be occupied by 2 electrons. But the other energy level is supposed to be occupied by 888. But if they reduce, the last energy level will just record the number of electrons that will remain. But the first one is supposed to be occupied by the octet level, okay, and doublet level. So this is what we call doublet, because it has occupied by 2 electrons. We call it doublet level. While those that are filled by 8 electrons, that is octet level. Now, the electron arrangement will be of A will be 2:8:8:1. It has 4 energy level. The first energy level occupied by the 2 electron or the doublet, then the second one 8, the third one 8, then the last one, it has 1 electron at the outermost energy level. It has 1 electron only at the outermost energy level. Are we together there? it has only one electron at the outermost energy level. So you will see what is the name of this given electron or given element. Yeah, just count the 19th number of an element. That's the name. I leave this one to you. You will do it together. You do it alone. It's normal. But you're supposed to know the first 20 elements. The last one is calcium. So as you move down upwards, you will get the number. It can be potassium or maybe the other one. So it has 19 electron arrangement 28881. So it has to lose an electron to become stable. Okay, this electron loses the outermost electron to become stable, and this one is most reactive. You'll see the forces that the force of attraction between the positive nucleus and the outermost energy level. Because the energy level, when the energy level is wide, the force of attraction weakens. Okay, so the weaker the force of attraction, the bigger the distance between the positive nucleus and the outermost energy level. I repeat, the bigger the distance between the positive nucleus and the outermost energy level, the weaker the force of attraction. So if the distance is bigger, the force of attraction is less. If the distance is small, the force of attraction is strong. So this element is more reactive because it has to give out that electron to become stable. Now B, give the formula of the compound formed when element A react with sulfur. Okay. So this is the reaction. You can just write maybe the equation or whatever. So we have seen this is this one here. You see it reacts with this sulfur. React with sulfur. React with give another given element. Okay, that's sulfur, and sulfur has atomic number 16. So if it has two atomic, so S has 16, that is 2:8:6. So you realize this one needs 2 electrons to become stable. Yeah, this is a non-gas. It's a gas. It's a non-metal. It needs 2 electrons to become stable. So when they react with this one here, you realize it is because A has 1 valence and this 2, there's a cross multiplication, so it will be A2S. Okay, A2S. Now that will be you can balance your equation properly. That's 2A, S1. Now this equation is well balanced. Okay, well balanced. Let us move to the question number 2. Question number 2 reads, question number 2, very far. Question number 2, it is this one here. It reads, question number 2 reads this way. It has some sections. You will have to answer so many parts, but no problem. Now listen, this is question number 2. The question reads, state and explain the factors that are considered when collecting a gas by displacement. State and explain the factors that are considered when collecting a gas by displacement. Now listen to this. For you to collect a gas by this way or this method, it might be the gas, it might be has a density. It depends with the density of the gas. In fact, that is the answer. The density of the gas. So if the gas is lighter than the air, you will collect upward method. Okay? You use upward method or downward displacement. So the density of the gas is very important. So if the gas is lighter, you will collect upward delivery, but if it's more denser, you will collect by downward displacement of air. So that's the answer. Just explain the factor that consider when collecting the gas displacement and that of air. So the density of the gas is very important. Now, question A2. Just explain the factor that are considered when collecting the gas by displacement method through water. That is, you have to talk about solubility in water. If it's from the water, talk about the solubility. If the gas is insoluble or if it does not dissolve, it's very suitable in that. So if the gas is soluble, you know how to collect the gas. Then other question, other than collecting a gas by displacement of air or water, state another method by use to collecting gas. And this is gas grade or solid function or solidification or solidification. Now those are the questions that mark as the end of this small explanation. We shall go to move question after question after question. We'll see how to answer some given problem. It is a very simple question. Let us just tackle one question, then we call it day. Draw the structure formula of 2-methyl-butene. 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 So methyl is a methyl group. Now this 2 is showing the position of the methyl group, where this methyl group is, then butene is the parental name of that given group. So this is butene. It has 4 carbon atoms. 4 carbon atoms. So because it's butene, it has a double bond. A double bond. So in condensed form, you're supposed to draw here. Okay. Now just check where is the double bond. Under the name butene, the second. Okay. Yeah. Now each carbon atom should be surrounded by 4 covalent bonds. Should be surrounded by 4 bonds. Each carbon atom should be surrounded by how many bonds? 4 bonds each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Whereas each carbon atom has been surrounded by 4 bonds. Okay, as surrounded by 4 bonds. So it has this one here. It should show the double bond. Okay, because this is butene. Now show the methyl group. Where the methyl group? It is under the second carbon atom. So 2-methyl-butene. 2-methyl-butene. The first 2 shows the position of the methyl group. The first 2. 2-methyl-butene. The first 2 shows the position of the methyl group. Then these 2 here shows the position where the double bond are. Okay. So this is 2-methyl-butene, and this is the condensed formula of that structure. Now, B. Bromine water was added to 2-methyl-butene. State the observation made. Now this is obvious. Bromine water is decolorized. Talk about that. Decolorization. Orange or brown, yellow, bromine, and whatever. So, but the brown water will be decolorized. You have to emphasize on that. Only that. Then the last one, name the type of the reaction that took place. This is an addition. An additional reaction. Addition reaction. Now those are the questions that we have prepared for you for this time. Let us just meet next class. We are going to explain much about that. I think the 3 questions are very clearly tackled. If you have any question, you will just raise it and I will deal with it. My numbers are 0790-860679. It's a WhatsApp number. If we connect, I shall going to explain much about that. But let me hope that those questions are well done. Thank you very much. Let us meet next lesson.